Hello students, welcome to Showrob Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll solve UGC NET Economics 2017 January paper. So today we'll solve 2017 January paper. So we'll be focusing on paper 2. So in the earlier video we'll solve question until question number 26. So in this video we'll solve until question number, so we'll solve this paper which is question number 27, 8, 9 and finally 30. So for the time being we'll start with question number 27. So in question number 27 it is given, which among the following statements are true for proposed GST arrangement in India? So two options are given. Both center and state taxes will be collected at the point of sale. Both center and state taxes will be collected at the point of sale. The center and state GST will be charged on the manufacturing cost. The center and state GST will be charged on the manufacturing cost. So we have to find which of the statements are below right, true. So we have four options, out of which we know the statements are true for proposed GST arrangements in India have both state and center taxes will be collected at the point of sale. So the center and state taxes will be collected at the point of sale. So this is also right. And the center and state GST will be charged on manufacturing cost. And the center and state GST will be charged on manufacturing cost. So it will be point of sale and also on manufacturing cost. So for this we know both of them are right. So option 4 is the right answer for question number 27. So for question number 27, option 4 is the right answer. So again I'll repeat, which among the following statements are true for proposed GST arrangement in India? So the options are given as both center and state taxes will be collected at the point of sale. So now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 28. So in question number 28 it is given, economists refer to an unanticipated inflation that reduces the real value of outstanding government debt is known as. Four options are given. So first of all I would like to explain what is this 4. So the right answer is inflation tax out of it. So now I'll explain what is inflation tax. Inflation tax is basically defined as the reduction in real value of monetary base. It is the reduction in real value of monetary base. So it is reduction is in real value of monetary base due to increases in the price level. Now inflation tax revenues are proportionate rate of increase in the price level times the real monetary base. So basically inflation tax is more accurately described as the anticipated inflation tax. So it is also inflation tax is also more accurately defined as the anticipated inflation tax. So for this, for question number 28, the right answer will be inflation tax. So economics refer to an unanticipated inflation that reduces real value of outstanding government debt is known as inflation tax. Now we'll go to the next question, which is question number 29. So in question number 29 it is given, a public good is, four options are given, non-excludable in nature, non-rival in consumption, excludable in nature, and a good that public must offer. So first of all we know that public goods are defined as non-excludable and non-rival in nature. So what is non-excludability? That is, once provided individuals cannot be excluded from consuming the goods. So once provided individuals cannot be excluded from consuming the goods. So individuals cannot be excluded from consuming the goods. So this is known as excludable in nature. Now we are coming to non-rival in consumption. What is non-rival? That is the consumption of goods by one person does not prevent someone else from consuming the goods. So consumption of goods by one person. So consumption of good by one person does not prevent, so consumption of good by one person does not prevent someone else from consuming the good. So for this we know option 1 and 2 are right for question number 29. So for question number 29, the right option would be option 1. So for question number 29, the right option would be 1. So now we have come to the last question, that is forward shifted tax will affect. 4 options are given. So before we answer this, first we need to understand what is forward shifting tax. So the shifting of a tax. So first we'll understand what is forward shifting tax. So for this I'll take another page. So we'll have to explain the shifting of a tax is the transfer of shifting of a tax is the transfer of the burden of paying a tax from those who are legally liable for it to others. So those who are legally liable for it to others. When a tax is shifted, those liable for the reduction in their income caused by tax payments through changes in the prices of items that they either buy or sell. So for this reason, now we can go back to the question paper again. So we were dealing with question number 30. So for this, a forward shifted tax will affect 4 options we had. So for question number 30, the right answer would be it will affect buyers more than sellers. So a forward shifting tax will affect buyers more than seller. So we are done with couple of questions. So now I'll come to the revision part. I want to see if you guys have done it correctly or not. So first I'll start with question number 27. It is given which among the following statements are true for proposed GST arrangement in India. 2 options are given. Both center and tax will be collected at the point of sale. So both center and state taxes will be collected at the point of sale. Center and state GST will be charged on manufacturing cost. So 2 options are given. I'll be giving you a couple of seconds to find out the right answer among them. So we know for this both of them are right. So for question number 27, right answer would be option 4. Now we'll come to question number 28. So it is given, if economics refers to an unanticipated inflation that reduces the real value of outstanding government debt is known as, 4 options are given. So out of which you have to choose the right option. So I'm expecting you guys have opted the right answer. So for this, right answer would be option 4. Now we'll go to question number 29. So in question number 29, it is given, a public good is non-excludable, non-rival, excludable in nature, or good public must proceed. So which one of the right answer you have to find? So we know these two are the right answer, that is both 1 and 2. So for this we can state question number 29, right answer is option A. Now we'll go to the last question of this paper or this video, that is, a forward shifted tax will affect, 4 options are given, buyers more than sellers, buyers and sellers equally, sellers more than buyers, and government revenues negatively. So out of this 4, I'll be giving you a couple of seconds to find out the right option. So I hope you guys have gone through it. So the right answer would be forward shifted tax will be buyers more than sellers. So for question number 30, the right answer is 1. So in today's video we solve a couple of questions from 27 until 30. So 4 questions we solved. In the subsequent video we'll solve the other question from the same paper. Keep watching. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showdopsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for this. So if you have any doubt or query, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number. Keep watching. So in the earlier videos we solved other question from the same paper. You can also refer to those videos which we have made. So in the subsequent video we'll solve other question from the same paper. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.